Welcome to our channel. Apple TV Plus not streaming? Follow these troubleshooting steps to fix playback errors and restore your viewing experience. Step 1. Check Apple System Status page. Visit apple.com support system status to verify Apple TV Plus service availability. Step 2. Verify subscription status. Go to Settings, Users and Accounts, and check your Apple TV Plus subscription is active. Step 3. Sign out and back into Apple ID. This refreshes your authentication and often resolves playback issues. Step 4. Update your device software. Install latest tvOS, iOS, or macOS updates for optimal compatibility. Step 5. Check internet connection speed. Apple TV Plus requires minimum 8 Mbps for 1080p and 25 Mbps for 4K. Step 6. Clear app cache on Apple TV. Go to Settings, General, Manage Storage, and delete, reinstall Apple TV app. Step 7. Reset network settings if needed. Navigate to Settings, Network, and reconfigure your connection. Step 8. Contact Apple support if persistent. Use Apple Support app or website for specialized troubleshooting assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.